Miss World Philippines 2024 Krishna Gravides naglabas ng public apology dahil sa viral video niya. Naglabas nga ng public apology si Miss World Philippines 2024 Krishna Gravides dahil sa viral video na Guess the Bill Challenge. Sa Instagram, ibinandera ng beauty queen ang isang mahabang mensahe na ipinapaliwanag ang nangyari, pati na rin ang paghingi niya ng sorry. Ayon kay Krishna, katuwaan lang ang ginawa nila sa video pero napagtanto rin niya na iba ang naging dating nito sa iba. Iginiit din niya na isa siyang invited guest at hindi totoong binayaran niyang buong bill ng kinainan nilang restaurant. I was merely an invited guest and had no involvement in the choice of venue or the handling of the bill, but I fully understand the impact the video may have had and the assumption it has generated, say niya sa pahayag. Patuloy ni Miss World Philippines title holder. Please allow me to clarify that I did not pay the said amount and it is no way was my participation on the video meant to promote or glorify an extravagant lifestyle. Sinabi rin niya na nakikiisa siya sa maraming mahihirap na Pilipino at ang napanood na deleted video ay hindi niya tunay na katauhan. I genuinely emphasize with the struggles that many Filipinos face on a daily basis, and I would never want to come across as insensitive or unaware of these harsh realities. The persona which how I viewed in the video is not a reflection of who I am or the values I uphold, lahad ni Krishna. Inamin niya na sobra siya nagsisisi sa nangyari at dahil daw dyan ay inako niya ang nagawang pagkakamali. As Miss World Philippines 2024, I am fully aware of my role and the responsibilities that come with it, especially in aligning with the organization advocacy for charity and compassion. This experience has been a humbling reminder of the importance of being mindful of my actions, both in public and in private, sambit ni Beauty Queen. Wika niya, I am truly sorry for any unintended harm and I promise to be more cautious and reflective in the future, especially with regards to my presence on social media. Thank you to everyone who continues to support me, and I hope to move forward for this incident with more wisdom and grace. Anya pa. Sa comment section, maraming fellow beauty queens ang nagpaabot ng suporta kay Krishna. Kabilang na riyan sina Frankie Russell, Michelle Arceo, Jasmine Pagyo at CJ Opiaza. Queen, you did nothing wrong. We love you and you're the most genuine person I know, lahad ni Michelle. Komento naman ni Jasmine, we'll always support you in your beautiful soul. Ani CJ, we love you Krish. We know you better than anyone else. Samantala, nauna nang ipinagtanggol ng Miss World Philippine Organization ang kinasangkutan issue ni Krishna at tiniyak na hindi sumasailalim sa totoong ugali nito ang naturang video. Sinisigurado rin ng organisasyon na patuloy na ipapamalas ng dalaga ang values na pinapahalagahan nila.